Good evening, Doak Cooks. It's been a while since I've come to you guys directly. I've been doing mostly my videos pretty quiet or screaming because I'm in pain. All I'm going to talk about in this video is the options. You have options. You have options when making a sauce like this and the way I just built this sauce. So you're going to see some cherry tomatoes, big chunks of tomato, obviously fresh basil, which we add in here, and I've got obviously ground beef in here as well. If you have one of these, you can later on in the process use this tool to smash down and crush not only those cherry tomatoes and the chunks of garlic and the pieces of tomato I just dumped in from the can. You can use this to combine them. Or you can let this thing go for a good 45 to an hour and it will break down. So it's kind of an either or. I have time. I have a good 45 minutes for this sauce to build, which is why I'm doing it this way. So I'm not necessarily going to be using this tool, but just again, if you're cramped for time, you can use this to break up some of those larger pieces. That's all. All right, so we'll get back to it. Hope you guys enjoy.
I got a broken face.